Hello my dear students, as we have completed our chapter in last few videos, I hope all of you understand the concept. I have discussed all the topics part by part. So now students, you will follow my videos and read whole chapter line by line. Clear? Okay, now students will be able to answer some of the objective type questions, right? Okay, so choose the correct option. Number 1. On the basis of their development, natural resources can be classified as. The answer is actual and potential. Actual and potential resource. So number 2. Raised deposits of coal in rural region of Germany is an example of actual resources. Which one of the following is an example of biotic resources? Answer: plants. And number 4, which one of the following is an example of ubiquitous resource? Answer is air. Number 5, sunlight is a renewable resource. Next, number 6, human needs change with time. Number 7, natural resources are obtained for. The answer: land, soil, water. So the answer is all of these. Which one of these resources is a non-renewable resource? Answer is coal. Number 9. For sustainable development, it is important to practice the following. Number 1. To allow all forms of life to flourish on earth. Number 2. Reduce the depletion of natural resources. Number 3. Both 1 and 2. And number 4. None of this. So answer both 1 and 2. It means to allow all forms of life to flourish on earth and reduce the depletion of natural resources. So both 1 and 2. Number 10. Which one of the following is an example of human-made resource? Answer: dams. So next, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Number 2. A beautiful landscape has an aesthetic value. Number 3. Resources are classified as ubiquitous and localized on the basis of their distribution. Number 4. Dams, roads and buildings are example of human-made resources. And number 5. Hydroelectricity is generated from water resource. Next, C. State whether true or false. Number 1. Value of resource can differ from time to time. Answer: true. Number 2. Reckless use of soil will not adjust its fertility. Answer: false. Because although soil is renewable resource, but reckless and careless use of soil, it can be depletion. It will adjust its fertility. Number 3. Coal and petroleum can be renewed within a few years. Answer: false, because it takes thousands or millions of years. Number 4. Carpool will help in reducing the consumption of petroleum. True. Number 5. Petroleum is an example of fossil fuel. True. Now match the columns. Column 1, column B. Biotic resources refers to all living organisms like plants and animals. Potential resources about which we do not have sufficient knowledge. Sustainable development. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Ubiquitous resources that are found everywhere like air. Abiotic resources, natural resources that are non-living. And non-renewable resources, they can get adjusted. Okay.